Hello and welcome on this beautiful day here at 116 Beacon Lane, located in Lake Carolina. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Very nice home. Also, you have your 2-car garage and a stone walkway that leads into a fully fenced in backyard. Let's go take a look. All right, we are now in the backyard. As I mentioned earlier in the video, it is fully fenced in. Pretty good sized backyard. And then you have your patio right here, and that slide door leads into the dining room portion of the kitchen. And with that being said, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we have just entered the home. And as soon as you come in through the front door, you have your archway right here that leads into the dining room portion of the kitchen. But right above, you have a ceiling fan, pretty high ceilings right here in the foyer. And all the bedrooms are located upstairs. If you keep going forward and to the left, you have your hallway right here, and the half bathroom is located right here. You have your single vanity and also your mirror and toilet right here. Straight ahead, you have your laundry room. And coming out of the laundry room, this door to the right leads to the garage. Coming back through the hallway, straight across, you have your formal dining room. Also, you have your chandelier right here. Also, your wood flooring. And here you have your French doors that leads to this area, which could be used as office space. Pretty good size, and it is carpeted. And it looks out into the front of the neighborhood. We're going to come out of here and make our way through the formal dining room to the kitchen. You have your stainless steel smooth top stove, also built-in microwave, very nice cabinets, and also your double door stainless steel refrigerator and countertops. And right here you have your dishwasher. And straight forward you have your living room. Also very high ceilings in the living room. You have your fireplace right here. Also 2 windows right here on the side that look out into the backyard. And that is where we're going to go next, which is the bedrooms and also a bathroom upstairs. Let's go take a look. All right, we are upstairs. As soon as you come upstairs, you have a closet right here, which is your linen closet. And here is bedroom number 1. And you have your Jack and Jill bathroom, because that door straight ahead leads to the other bedroom. You have your shower right here, and also your tub, toilet, and your single vanity right here as well. And coming out of here, here is bedroom number 2. And it is carpeted as well. And that window looks out into the backyard. And this door leads to where we started from. Back out here. And we're going to make our way around here and take a look at the master bedroom. Pretty decent sized master bedroom. You have your high ceilings right there, and also you have your ceiling fan, and also 2 windows that look out into the front of the neighborhood. And you have a rest area right there on the side. And then you have the master bathroom right here. Very nice style flooring for the master bathroom. Here you have your stand-up shower. Also your garden tub right next to it. That right there. The closet. And coming out of the closet, you have your double vanity right here. And right here you have your toilet. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 116 Beacon Lane, located in Lake Carolina. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. For any questions that you might have, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.